I'm Heather Armstrong.
And I'm Dustin Lukey. Policing can already be a dangerous line of work, dealing with sometimes violent encounters. But as the numbers show, it's a silent killer that's become the biggest threat.
While the state of Wisconsin recorded just 5 law enforcement deaths in 2021, 4 of those are due to COVID-19. That's according to the Officer Down Memorial page, which tracks line of duty deaths.
Nationally, nearly 69% of officers who died this past year lost their life to the disease. Gunfire was a distant second, accounting for 12% of deaths.
Though none of Wisconsin's line of duty deaths happened in La Crosse, it's a statistic local leaders take to heart.
There's not a day that goes by where we're not dealing with staff shortages and staff that are ill, family members of staff members. We deal with it every day in the jail as well. Fortunately, we were kind of ahead of the game when it broke out. We did have some UV sanitizers that we can clean rooms with, sterilize rooms.
Similarly, La Crosse Police Chief Sean Coudron says his department's worked to lessen the impact and is following hygiene and safety protocols, but did not feel the need to require a vaccine for officers.
When asked whether there was pushback to getting a vaccine among his officers, Chief Coudron said there wasn't much, adding that they didn't need to look far to combat misinformation.
Local medical professionals that many of our staff members know of, have seen before, that are working in this area. As they were providing information, we were passing that information along to our officers so that they could hear it from someone locally that they've worked with and make decisions for themselves.
The chief says his department has felt the effect of this latest surge, seeing some staffing issues, but he's proud of the resiliency shown to fill the gaps and ensure they had enough officers in the field to respond.